Charles Show. Welcome to the show, my brother.
Thank you very much, Mr. Charles.
Thanks for coming on the show today.
Thank you very much, my brother.
Coco Rabar is in USA. Great.
Yeah.
What has been your major culture shock?
Yeah. Thank you very much. This question, I think when I came in the fourth semester, I was actually in class. I went to class late. Then I saw that someone who was also late came in with a very short, I call it panty, entering the class. And the lecturer actually did not say anything. I was like,
Come again.
In the right class?
Like somebody, come again. Somebody entered the class with what?
Yeah, very short skirt. So like this lecturer, we need to drive this lady away. But she came and sat down. We had a lecture. She contributed. When we went out for break, I saw that she was not the only one. Everybody was wearing that same. I said, okay, let me take it like that. Because if it was Ghana, the lecturer would have stopped you at the entrance before you even enter. But here, everything is okay. So I actually learned that, okay, it is good in this kind of the world. You have to live with all manner of people. I mean, the dressing and all that is not an issue here. It's just that what you need to come and do it and go. Don't complain too much because everybody, almost everybody has, a culture, and we should respect that as much.
Thank you for coming on Meet Child Show.
You're welcome.
Anytime we want to learn much about studying abroad, let's say in the case of USA, I will not hesitate to contact you.
Thank you very much. I also thank you very much for this platform given to me.
Dear viewer, kindly like this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more videos.